Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install and run Java on Windows 11 as well as on Windows 10. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you are starting your programming journey and you need to install Java on your Windows and then set it up perfectly, then these are all you need to do. First, let us check whether you have already installed Java on your Windows. So click on the start button. You want to search for command prompt. Once you search for command prompt, locate and click on open. Now this is going to open command prompt on your Windows. Then go ahead and type java space iv version and then click on enter. The moment you say Java is not recognized as an external or internal command, operable program or batch file, that shows you have not installed Java on your Windows. So you can follow this step now to install Java. Go ahead and open a browser. This could be Chrome, it could be Safari, and it could be your Microsoft Windows browser. So just go ahead and open a browser. Now, once you open the browser, just go to google.com on your browser. This doesn't matter whatever you are watching this video from. All you need to do is go to google.com and then search for Java Oracle download. So search for Java Oracle download and then select it. Now hang on, it should say the official Oracle website pops the Java SC Development Kit 24 download. So go ahead and click on that. Once you selected the Java Oracle download on your state browser, you'll be taken to where to download the Java program for your region. So whether you're from England, from UK, US, Nigeria, from Ghana, Canada, and the rest of them, then you should see the Java version for your location. Now scroll down to where you see Java SC Development Kit version of your Java download. Then you should see the type of operating system where you can install Java on. So here, go ahead and select Windows. Once you selected Windows, you have three different type of files. So the first one is the compressed one, which is in zip format. And then this is installer, this is Microsoft installer. So you can either choose the second or the third version and then go ahead and click on it to download. Once you selected the first or the second version, then you should see the installer downloading here. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, you should see the installer either at the top here or somewhere at the bottom right here. Now, what we need to do next is we need to hang on for the Java installer to download completely on our Windows. And once it downloads, then we can proceed from there. All right, welcome back. Now, once you're done downloading the Java installer for your Windows 10 or Windows 11, click on this download button and then go to file directory. Once you open the file directory, this is going to open where the Java installer is downloaded. Then double click. Once you double click on the JDK 24 Windows x64 bin, then just need to hang on a couple of seconds. It's going to say pop-up that says you need to accept this pop-up. So double click on it. Since this is an application on your Windows, so you need to install it, click on yes. Now, once you selected yes, you should see window installer pops, and this is going to start installing the Java program on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now go ahead and click on next. Then here, this is the directory where the Java program is going to be installed. If you want to proceed, click on next. Otherwise, click on change and choose your choice of directory. So here, I'm going to leave this directory as it is. Then click on next. Now it should say the installation progress in the status bar. Then you just need to hang on for this installation process to complete. And then once you say installation successfully here, you just go ahead, click on close. That implies that you have successfully installed the Java program on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Close that. Now, to confirm whether you have successfully installed the Java program again, click on the start button, search for command, and then go ahead and open command. Once you open the command prompt, hang on, then type this command. Just type Java space version. Click on enter. Hang on. So if Java is installed, you should see Java pops. Then you can see we've successfully installed Java on our Windows. That's why you see Java 24 this day, and then Java SC runtime environment. Java Hotspot 64-bit server this. Now, before you can start to use Java on your Windows, you need to create the environmental variable. How do you do this? Just go ahead, click on the start, then search for environment variable. So you can just search for environment. The moment you search for that, you should say edit the system environment variable. Now go ahead and click on open. Once you click on open, what you need to do next is simply this. Once you click on environment variable, locate and click on environment variables again. Now under where you see user variable for your computer name, click on new. Then here you need to type java_home, all in capital. Then go ahead and open your file directory. Then go to this PC on the left side. So just go to this PC. On the PC, locate and click on the local drive C. Then under local drive C, you want to go to program files, double click to open it. Then you should see Java installed. Double click on it again. Then here you have JDK 24, click on it. Then locate bin, click on bin. Once you click on bin, come to this address bar, click on it once. Then copy the directory. So just copy. Once you copy that directory, go back to where you have the new user variable. Where you see variable value, paste the part you copied. Then go ahead and click on OK. Then again, you should see the part you copied. And then click on OK again. Then go ahead and click on OK. Then that shows you have successfully installed Java on your Windows computer. Now you can still go ahead, confirm whether you've installed Java again. Then open it. Once you open command, what you need to do here this time again is not that you want to check the version of Java you installed. You just need to type echo space, then type percentage java_home percentage, then click on enter. Then you should see the file directory here. So this is to tell you that you have successfully installed Java on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So you can just go ahead to check the version, space IV version, enter, and there you go. You see that? So that is exactly how to install Java on Windows. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.